Troubleshooting, can't start SQL Server Agent after installing Database Engine on SQL Server 2012. After installing the Database Engine on SQL Server 2012, you might encounter an issue where SQL Server Agent fails to start. This issue can be quite perplexing, especially if the database engine is running perfectly. Understanding the root causes and the corresponding troubleshooting steps can help you resolve the issue effectively. Common causes for SQL Server Agent failure to start. Permissions issues. Often, the account running the SQL Server Agent service lacks the necessary permissions. Ensure that the service account has the appropriate access rights. Service account configuration. The SQL Server Agent service account could be improperly configured. Verify that the service is set to start automatically and that the correct account credentials are used. Corrupt installation. Sometimes, the installation of the SQL Server components might be corrupted. Running a repair from the SQL Server setup can resolve this issue. Configuration errors. Misconfigurations in SQL Server or related components can lead to the SQL Server Agent not starting. Missing or disabled features. Key components or features required by SQL Server Agent might be missing or disabled. Make sure all required features are installed and enabled. Troubleshooting steps. Here are some steps you can take to diagnose and fix the issue. Check Windows event logs. Navigate to the event viewer and check the application and system logs. Look for any error messages related to SQL Server Agent. This can provide clues as to why the service is failing to start. Verify service account permissions. Ensure that the account used by SQL Server Agent has access to necessary directories and resources. The account should be part of the SQL Server Agent user role. Restart the service. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix the issue. Open the SQL Server Configuration Manager and try restarting the SQL Server Agent. Reconfigure the service account. Use SQL Server Configuration Manager to reconfigure the service account. You might also want to verify that the account credentials are correct. Repair SQL Server installation. If none of the above steps work, consider running a repair on your SQL Server installation. This can fix any corrupt files or configurations that might be causing the issue. Wrapping up, an inability to start the SQL Server Agent after installing the database engine on SQL Server 2012 can stem from various causes, ranging from permission issues to misconfigurations or corrupt installations. By methodically going through the troubleshooting steps, you can often identify and fix the underlying problem, getting your SQL Server Agent up and running smoothly.